Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to grind coffee without a coffee grinder. This will be a full tutorial, so let's get right into the video. Let's say that you have some coffee beans just like these ones right here. These are fresh, they smell incredible, and you want to grind them up to make some coffee, but you don't actually have a coffee grinding tool or mechanism. I'm going to show you how to do it. All that you need is 2 bags just like this. I like to use these sealable Ziploc bags, but you can use pretty much any bag that will keep the beans within the bag. And then you're going to need something to crush them with and something to crush them on. Okay, so I just use this little spoon with slats in it right here, this little slotted spoon with these slats to crush the beans and to grind the beans. And I'm just doing it on a regular surface, like almost like a regular desktop surface. But you can by all means do this on the ground, like on pavement or anything like that. Anything that's hard that will not be affected by crunching the beans is totally fine. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start off by putting these beans inside of one bag. Okay, so check this out. Just gonna put them inside of this bag over here. We're gonna just try and not get them on the actual surface. I'm just gonna go like that. So there they are in this bag. Now we're gonna seal this bag up. And some people will go ahead and do this using a single bag. I like to double bag it, but you want to get out all of the air first. So I'm just going to release all of the air so you can get some real grinding and crunching capabilities. So I've released all the air, and I like to put it in a double bag. This way, it's less likely for the bag to actually break, and then the beans will touch the table, and you probably won't want to use them anymore for the most part. So I like to do it in a double bag. So you can do it in a single bag, but a double bag just gives you a little bit of an extra layer of safety where you don't have to worry about the beans touching anything you don't want them to touch. So I'm going to let out all the air. We're going to seal the secondary bag. Now what we're going to do is we're going to get our spoon. Like I said, you can use anything that is hard enough that it will crunch the beans. And I'm going to just apply some pressure, and you can sort of see, you'll see them grind up just like that. So you can hear and see that we are grinding the coffee beans. We're grinding coffee, and we don't have a coffee grinder. You can already start to see we're grinding it up. Now, obviously with a coffee grinder, you're going to have steps that's going to tell you how much or what level of grind you want. This is very similar in the sense of you're going to be able to choose how finely you want to grind the coffee, but it's not a mechanism that is going to be telling you what level. You're going to have to sort of see and feel. Okay, so at this level, this would be a very, very coarse grind, very, very coarse grind. What I'm going to do, I wouldn't really use this grind. I would grind it down much, much more. So I'm going to flip it over. We're going to start using the other side, just like this. And we're just going, and I'm just kind of rolling the edge of the spoon, the back of the spoon, and we're grinding up the coffee. And you can just, like I said, you can kind of go however finely you want, right? So what I like to do is mix it around like that. You can see it's already ground up decently, but not nearly as fine as I would want it to be. There's a little bit too much air in here. I'm going to let it out just like that. There we go. Just like that. So now that I shook it up a little bit, we're going to go at it again. And you can just repeat this process until you reach the level of grind that you want. So just keep doing this until you have ground the coffee to be as fine or as coarse as you want. So I would shake it up again, place them all in one spot, and I go like this. Now as you can hear the sound, it's getting even more fine, right? So you can hear based on the sound how fine it's getting. Okay, that's it. You just keep going until you reach the level of grind that you want. And that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.